You have a girlfriend.
আমি ফাইসা গেছি আমি ফাইসা
Yes, I have a girlfriend. Basically, sir, I am from Noakhali. Noakhali is very beautiful district in Bangladesh. There are many rivers and as well as most of the people farmers. That's why Noakhali is very famous in Bangladesh.
How do you spend your free time?
Most of the time, I spend my free English watch movie and reading books. And this is reading books is important to for me because yeah, when I come here, at English here, didn't I didn't read English book, but right now I most of the day, every day I reading English book because it is improving my skills.
What kind of books do you love reading?
As well as newspaper is far newspaper is I like it. I also most of the time free time I reading newspaper.
What does your father do?
My father is a reverend fighter. He is a very honest man and he always take care of us and he always motivates me.
Okay. Do you love traveling?
Yes, sir. I of course I love traveling. When I will get free time, I will go to any another place traveling because this very fresh my mind.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
I also travel not alone. I also travel with my friends and my family because they are my travel partner and I like her.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have a girlfriend.
Okay, will you marry?
Yes, sir. I will marry her. Yes,
You'll
sir.
marry her. So, what kind of marriage do you like? Love marriage or settled marriage?
I think love marriage is perfect for me because my parents won't permit me. Love marriage is perfect for me.
How many girlfriends do you have actually?
Sir, I have a one girlfriend.
You have one. Are you happy with just only one?
Yes, sir. I'm very happy. She is my inspire, all time motivator.
Is inspiration.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is she your idol?
No, sir. He's not. She is not my idol.
Well, so thank you. Do you like learning English?
Yes, sir. Of course, I learn English. That's why I came here. Rahat English here. Rahat English here. When I think thought rather learning English, then I might. Sorry, sir.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much. How many siblings do you have?
I have three siblings. My one younger brother and my one younger sister as well as me.
Do you love yourself?
Yes, sir. Of course, I love myself.
Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani. This is very delicious and tasty. I also eat this food take street food and outside food. This is very delicious.
Do you love using Facebook?
Yes, sir. I love using Facebook. And Facebook is most important for me. There are very kind information and learn new things and new group. I also use it.
Could I know about your family? What does your mother do?
My mother, she's a homemaker. She always take care of us, and every day he always delicious food of.
Every day she
Cooked-
cooks delicious.
She cooks delicious food of us.
Thank you very much. Your speaking test is over.